Hi there, Vicki with Dynamic Wellness here. Hey, when was the last time you did something that nourished your soul? I am in Fallbrook, California today with my teacher, Paul Chek, and about 40 or so other people. And we're here stacking rocks, and it's called Zen in the Garden. We're learning how to tap into our soul. These are things I've learned from Paul through the years. But so great to be here and kind of renewing this practice. I'll take you over here to my little rock stack, and we played music with two river rocks and stacking rocks safely. These are like things you can do with your children and your grandchildren. You'll be out in nature, experiencing nature and nourishing your soul. So anyway, here's my little rock stack. We've just had a wonderful lunch, and we'll be coming back here into the rock stacking circle to do more this afternoon. I promise to make a bigger one than that. Let me show you the dragon over here. This is super cool. Something you can do, something out in nature that nourishes the soul, that teaches you something, either reteaches you, re-educates you, or teaches you something new. It's super huge for the soul, for your health. Anyhow, have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
But anyhow, you can just take a piece of stone once you get a yes and just move around.